8-year-old girl abducted from school in Portmore, throat slashed. Man knocked down by vehicle in Augustown, residents blame soldiers. St. Andrew home refurbishing marred by shooting, murder. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. An 8-year-old girl was left for dead Thursday after she was abducted from school and her throat slashed. The girl, a student of Brayton Primary in Portmore, St. Catherine, was taken from the institution in a motorcar, transported to Vineyard Town in St. Andrew, and thrown from the vehicle. Reports are that the child was found by passers-by and rushed to the hospital, where she has since been admitted. Police have confirmed the incident, but are yet to establish a motive for the abduction and attempted murder. A man was rushed to hospital after he was reportedly struck down by a jeep being driven by members of the Jamaica Defense Force in Augustown on Thursday. The incident triggered angry reaction from residents who accused members of the JDF of speeding in the area. The residents also raised questions about the length of time it took law enforcers to take the injured man to hospital. The St. Andrew North Criminal Investigation Branch, up to press time Thursday night, were at a scene of a murder and shooting at a house along Bonehall Road in Stony Hill, St. Andrew. The heavy downpour of rain did not deter a gunman from executing a man and shooting a woman in the head about 3:30 p.m. The deceased man has been identified as 30-year-old Ricardo Johnson, otherwise called Lizard, a resident of Lacey District in Cavalier, St. Andrew. The incident occurred while the victims were at the location carrying out repair works. More details to come following further investigations.